What's up, RV Connection family? This is Keegan, your favorite RV tour guide, here to bring you this brand new Salem FSX Platinum 30VCVIEW, a toy hauler with a ton of windows, projector screens, sound system. It's crazy. Let's get into this. All right, guys, here's a speed run of the outside. So you have blacked out windows, reflective doors, enclosed and accessible underbelly panels, 12-volt heating pads on your water tanks, your toy ramp as well as patio, your huge slide. Here's a hidden door to your hidden bunkhouse. So excited to show you all that. On-demand water heater, pass-through storage that I didn't realize was locked, so ignore that. And then fiberglass covers the outside. Let's make our way on the inside, and wow, speechless. I know I am. This thing not only has 2 full projector screens, it comes with a projector, somewhere for you to sit, a sound bar, a subwoofer. This thing has 4 total sound systems, okay? Not only that, but your projector screens, at a press of a button, these things are automatic. They go up and down. It was a cool addition. Now, guys, on the bottom of this next shot, you see the island. It does open and close on both sides to create more space. Here's the hidden storage, magnetic doors, 2 twin bunks. You have a spot for your laptop, 3 monitors or 3 TVs for the kids. Super cool addition there. The bathroom, you have a ton of space in the shower, ton of storage. Move into the bedroom, they threw in a king-size bed. You love to see it. Not only that, extra storage space here and washer and dryer hookups. TV mount in the corner. But look at this, Versa tilt beds. You've seen it before, and here it is. It leans all the way up. You can sit up in bed or lay down. Now, guys, picture this: Harry Potter movie marathon. I know that's what me and my girlfriend would watch on this. Yeah. Now, guys, these are your 3 weather doors. When that patio's down, you want to, see the view. You just keep that door shut, keep the air out. 84-inch tall interiors, as well as all real wood trim. It's a huge upgrade on the quality. So now, guys, if this piques your interest at all, go to our website at Go RV Connection or give us a call at 580-248-5166 and ask for Keegan. Y'all take it easy.